Source. Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bridgeport to Roseland to Markham, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Lake County, Indiana. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hammond, East Chicago, Munster, and Whiting around 8:30 p.m. Cary, Highland, and Griffith around 8:35 p.m. Lake Stage around 8:40 p.m. Portage around 8:45 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with a tornado like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. The tornado warning for southeastern Porter County will expire at 8:30 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. Additional potentially severe thunderstorms are approaching from the southwest. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern